Chism Automation's dishwasher rack roller assembly system produces at a rate of 1 assembly per second. A precision link conveying system is used for moving pallets quickly between assembly stages. A washer is bowl-fed to an escapement that isolates the washer. The washer is then picked up with a magnetic gripper and placed onto a pallet. A roller is bowl-fed and separated with a custom escapement. The roller is picked utilizing a 3-finger parallel gripper and placed over a washer on the pallet. A screw is bowl-fed and isolated using an escapement. The screw is picked with a magnetic gripper and placed into the roller. A crimping tool is used to fasten the roller assembly together while a depth sensor confirms proper crimp position. The assembly is picked with a magnetic gripper and placed onto a completed product chute. The process repeats until tote capacity is reached. Contact Chism Automation for professional-level solutions for automated assembly.